Hi, I'm Morgan McCullum, and I'm here to talk about what kind of pizza toppings you can use on your pizza. That's kind of a funny question in and of itself because you can use anything as a pizza topping that's edible. This is what we have here at the bistro. We have your typical selection of meats, veggies, cheeses. We use some things that are a little exotic. We use goat cheese. We use white truffle oil. We use quite a bit of different things. But the only thing that limits what you use on your pizza is your imagination. What a lot of people in the spring and summer do in the fall, when you have lots of great things in season, go to your local farmer's market and check out what they have and use that as the basis for what you put on your pizza. There's great fresh herbs in season, all kinds of veggies at your farmer's market. So check that out and try to use that as the basis for your pizza. If you're not lucky enough to have a farmer's market in your community, go down to your local grocery store, or if you have a vegetable stand, go down there and see what they have. There are some interesting meats that you can use. We use andouille sausage here, which is great. It's very spicy, and it has that kind of Louisiana flair and a little kick to it. Adds a little southern tinge to some of our pizzas. You can do an all-meat pizza. You can do a mix of veggies and meat. You can do an all-veggie pizza. You can do a pizza with no toppings at all on it if you want. You can do a white pizza with just an olive oil base and some different kinds of cheeses. Your cheese has a lot of ability to change the flavor profile of your pizza too. You can use goat cheese, mozzarella, all kinds of different cheeses that are available. Go to your local gourmet store. We happen to have a great one here in town called Wild Oats that has, I would bet, no less than 200 different kinds of cheese on it. And you know what? Probably none of them are bad on pizza. So go ahead and have some fun with that and play with it. And your toppings are only limited by your imagination in that if you want to make a dessert pizza, you certainly can. There are an awful lot of places here in the United States that make dessert pizzas. Italians would probably be very angry at you if you were to tell them that you were making dessert pizza. But you know, pizza in the United States isn't about being strictly traditional or strictly Italian. It's about making something that your family and your friends can enjoy and that you have fun making. So go ahead and have fun with it. I'm Morgan McCullum, and that's what you can put on top of your pizza.